Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Valerie Dison, and today I am going to share with you my top 5 and bottom 5 from Milani. And anyways, if you're interested in this video, just keep on watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now, since we're a little bit into this video, I don't really have a bottom 5, but I kind of put these in order from my most love. You know what? I need to switch it around to not so good to the best, because that way I can end on a good note. So let me do that real quick. I only have like a bottom 2, but I did put in order now, from least favorite to most favorite. But I will say that I only dislike 2 of the products. It's really not that I dislike it. I only dislike 1, and the other product, anyway, let's get down to it. So this is my bottom, my least favorite out of the 10 that I'm going to talk about today, and this is the Most Wanted Lashes Mascara. And not that it's really a bad product, it's just that it smudges on me and it doesn't do that much for my lashes. But I'm a real picky person about mascara. So this is on my bottom. I had to pick something for my bottom. And this is my bottom. I would definitely not repurchase this, but I do have more mascaras from them I need to try. This is my first and only mascara I've ever tried from Milani, and it's not my favorite. But I do have others to try that I need to try. But I want to give this one a fair shot. So I'm going to continue using it because it's not that bad. It definitely isn't. It just smudges a little bit. But I had to pick something to be my bottom. So this is my bottom. Number 9 on my list is the Milani Conceal and Perfect Longwear Concealer. Like I said, this is definitely not a bottom. Like, it's not that I don't like this product. It's just that I had to put it in order, and this is my second least for, this is my number 9. Anyways, I gotta play with it more. It did great today. I used it today, and it did great today. So I used the, like a concealer brush. And I basically blended it in with that brush until I felt like it was almost completely blended out. And then I used my sponge to soak out a little bit of the extra product, but it wasn't really that much extra. Yeah. I just feel like it's a concealer that I'm going to have to work with a little bit more to get the best results out of it. It's not like my other concealers that I can just, you know, put on my under eyes and dab it out with my sponge and it's good to go. This one is going to take a little bit more work to make it. But I do love how full coverage it is, and it just can look real kind of cakey, just a little bit cakey, if I don't blend it out enough. So I have to be extra careful with this. It's not a bad product, and I could see myself repurchasing this. But yeah, I had to put something on number 9, so there it is. Number 8, and I do love this product. The rest of the products I do love, absolutely love, and see myself repurchasing over and over again. So sorry, but this is number 8. It's the Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray. I have it on my face today. I absolutely love it. The only thing I can think of that the only thing I can say that I might not like about it is when I put it on the eye area. Like when I spray my whole face when I'm done. When I spray it, you know, it will make that mascara smudge a little bit. Not that much though. And also it makes the eyeshadow crease a little bit, which I already blended it out so you can't really see it. But you know, since it's so dewy and moisturizing, which is the part I love about it, it can do that. But like I said, this is not a real bottom. I do love this product and I see myself repurchasing it. Something had to be number 8 though. Number 7 is the Milani Luster Light palette. And I do love this palette completely. As you can clearly tell, I've almost used all the things. I have maybe 6 more shades I need to use from this. I have on the color Swagger and Like Butter and 24/7 Chill on my eyes today, and I love the colors. I will say the shimmers are more, the Swagger and the Like Butter color is more like eye toppers than actual shimmer shadows. And they can crease a little bit. But after you, like at the end of your look, or like 10 minutes after your look's ready and you look in the mirror and you kind of put it where you want again, it's fine after that. It doesn't do it again. But I really do love this palette, and they have some beautiful colors in it. I mean, look at this eyeshadow today. I love it. It's very wearable colors, very fun, very spring. Yeah, I love it. But something had to be number 7, so this made it on number 7 just because something had to be number 7. Number 6 is the Milani Luxurious Lip Gloss in the color 200 whatever, but really it's an overall kind of, you know, lip gloss thing. I love it. This is supposed to be a bottom too, ain't it? Yeah, this is like the bottom 5, but I do love it. So it smells sweet, not overpowering sweet, just a hint of sweet. And I have it on. It's really pretty. Yeah, I don't dislike anything about it. So it's unfortunate that it's the bottom, one of the top of the bottom 5, but something had to be in that place. So yeah, there we go. I'm not doing so good on the bottom parts, but whatever. I'm sharing my honest opinions. I love the Milani products. All right, the Milani Understatement Lip Liner in the color 140 Desert Rose is number, what, 4? Oh, this is one of the top 5. So this is the number 5. But yeah, the lip liner is so freaking good. It is the creamiest lip liner I have ever tried, and I have it on my lips today, and it goes so well with their lip glosses. And yeah, overall, I really love it. It stays in place really good. It is transferable, but not that bad. So I love it. I love the lip liners. Can't say nothing really bad about them. Number 4 is the Milani Soft Focus Glow Enhancer 01 Nude Glow. It Fair to Light. I love this primer. Absolutely love it. It's under my makeup today, and it just makes a very nice glowy moisturized face, and I can't say anything bad about it. I love it. Definitely I am going to repurchase. This is number 3, and it is the Milani 01 Sunlight Silky Matte Bronzing Powder. As you can tell, I've hit pan. I have it on today. Looks beautiful. Can't say anything bad about it. It's kind of hard to mess up on. I do like to clean up with a powder around here, but that's for, I think, all of my bronzers I've ever tried. I love it. Can't recommend it enough. Definitely am going to repurchase it. Number 2 on my list is the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Foundation plus Concealer. This is a repurchased product of mine, and I absolutely love it and will repurchase when I use this one again. Yeah, it is a medium to full coverage foundation. I only used 1 pump today because it is summertime, so I don't want a full look. But yeah, I'll absolutely love this and definitely recommend it. If you haven't tried it already, pick it up at your local CVS or wherever you can get it. I recommend it. And number 1 on my list, I made this number 1 just because it is the most used product, I guess, off my list, because the foundation is most used and this one, but yeah, something had to be number 1, so I chose this one. Is the Milani eyeshadow primer in 01 Nude. It is really comparable to my Urban Decay eyeshadow primer Potion in the color Eden. That one does last longer, and it is a little bit more of a matter type of consistency, like it dries more matte than this one. But I really love it. It is one of the best eyeshadow primers at the drugstore. I really love it and will continue to repurchase it. But this is my number 1 product. If you're going to buy anything off this list, definitely buy the Milani eyeshadow primer and the foundation. Really the top. You should try the top 9. Don't try that mascara at the very bottom of the list, but everything else has been absolutely great. I love it. Yeah, that's pretty much all this video. Sorry it's kind of short, but yeah, I love Milani products. The only one that actually was a bottom product or something I wouldn't totally recommend would be that Most Wanted Lashes mascara. Everything else I absolutely love. But I hope you enjoyed seeing like my ranking scale, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you buddies next time. Bye!